Desert Harvesters welcomes you to Tucson, Arizona, located in the Sonoran Desert in the southwest United States.
This region reflects a unique and very special environment, boasting more plant species than any desert in the world, including the iconic saguaro cactus.
In this video series, we'll share our deep love of this region and hope to inspire you to learn more about Sonoran Desert landscapes and wild foods.
Desert Harvesters is a nonprofit, community-based group that has served the Tucson community for over 20 years.
Our work is centered in food and economic justice, place-based permaculture, and rewilding urban spaces. These practices reflect our respect for the rich history of indigenous peoples and food cultures unique to our home. We value shared collaborations and knowledge and hope to expand the art and craft of place-based living in a diverse and thriving community.
This ReWilding Taste Buds and Neighborhoods video series features native Sonoran Desert foods in their seasons of harvest throughout the year. You will learn about how to identify, rewild, and ethically harvest, as well as process, use, and celebrate these nutritious and delicious foods. Desert Harvesters has partnered with the food bank for many years to bring this body of education, which is based on indigenous wisdom and food traditions, to make available these foods into our local food palette. This is a demo about seasonally available barrel cactus fruit and the various ways that you can process and eat it. In our cookbook, there's a whole section on barrel cactus. The cookbook is organized by season and by ingredient. And among other recipes, including using the dried barrel cactus, you can also candy the fruit. So that would entail removing the tuft of leaves and then cutting them into regular size slices. Often the pulp and the seeds stay intact, making it very crunchy along with that wonderful lemon flavor. I'm going to cut off this end with the little covering. I work a lot in a solar oven, but you could also use a conventional oven. Arrange these rings on a plate, cover them with a raw organic sugar, and then allow them to slow cook so as to not burn the sugar, and then it candies the barrel fruit and preserves that wonderful lemony taste, so you have a crunchy, sweet, tart treat, very easy to prepare. A barrel cactus fruit is also a very handy little seed pouch that you can carry around on your urban travels and rewild where you are. And then we repopulate the city with edible wild foods that thrive here because they evolve with the climate. And barrel cactus also has extremely striking flowers in red, orange, and yellow colors that attract pollinators and are part of a whole interconnected system. So when you plant a native food like this, you support not only, food security in Tucson and surrounding areas, but we're helping the wildlife that are interconnected to those kind of plants and pollinators that pollinate other food for us.
For more inspiration, please see our cookbook on using wild desert ingredients, including beryl, cholla, prickly pear, and saguaro cactus.
Thank you for watching Desert Harvesters ReWilding Taste Buds and Neighborhoods video series about seasonal harvesting and edible plants.
We invite you to supplement your knowledge with resources available on our website and social media. We're at desertharvesters.org. Click below for more information, including recommended links and recipes.
1, 2, 3. She has her light turned on, mountains colored in a hue of blue, pink and purple round her head. I want to touch her face. Sky so